like a light bulb. I'm so embarrassed. All of the other. Merry Christmas, guys. We were at the Nature Center caroling in front of strangers. It was so embarrassing. Whoa.
This one's I touched it. They're so tall.
Not so rough. In a one-horse open sleigh, all the fields we know, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! Bells on buckles ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, Dancer and Prancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. It glows like a light bulb. I'm so embarrassed. All of the other reindeer join in any reindeer games I can. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him. They shouted out, as they shouted out with glee, yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history, like toothpaste.
Toothpaste?
Yeah, that's
guys,
what
it's
my
so
mom
embarrassing,
says.
but we're just cheap on things. It was raining for a second.
Stop. This one peppermint, make a little taste. I'm not drinking it yet. Guys, we just got our hot chocolate. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
We just got our hot chocolate. Now we're about to do a craft.
It's really good.
It is. Is it hot? No, it's on the cheese right here.
How do you cheers?
Cheers to hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
And a Merry Christmas?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Cheers to hot chocolate.
And Christmas.
Yeah.
And family.
Yeah, family. Oh, that's so hot. I know. I just drank to like a bunch.
So hot.
My tongue is. I can't. It's my tummy that's burning. My tongue's burning. No, my tummy's burning. My tummy's burning.
It's so hot, but why is it so addicting to drink it after it's burning?
I know. I don't want to drink it, but I have to. If you lift your tongue up, it's not very bad. So if you lift your tongue up, it's not very bad.
It's chocolate milk. It's chocolate milk, but hot.
It's burnt. Hot chocolate.
Burnt chocolate milk.
Hot chocolate. Wait, maybe that's why it's called hot chocolate, because it's chocolate that's just super duper hot.
Yeah.
We tried Bob's hot chocolate. Was it called Bob's?
I don't know.
Bobby's?
Tom's.
Tom's or Bob's, I forget. Tom's. Guys, you should. I forget what it's called.
Tom's
or
hot
Bob's.
chocolate?
Yeah. You should really try it. It's so good.
Make a wish? What do you make a wish for the new year? What do you wish for in the new year?
Spend time with my family.
That sounds like a great wish.
Wow. What's your wish, Cross?
Be in the NFL.
What about a family one? What's your wish, Hudson?
Spend time with my family.
Oh.
It's spend time with their family and then be in the NFL. and us to be 9-1 for football and basketball. No, Mary. The peace on earth. Peace on earth. And then you see mine. I want to be in the NFL.
Ready for Joe Burrow went over there?
Wondering if that drink is.
That's my cute
Ready? To spend time with my family.
Play-Doh. What's that?
Love it.
Too kind to
He wants to go into the.
Yes.
Guys, let's go.
Ashton did an okay girlfriend.
Okay.
An okay
Yeah.
I don't want a girl. Yeah,